নমস্কাৰ স্প্ৰিন্স সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছো ভিজন ইউটিউব চেনেলে আজি মই লৈ আহিছো লাষ্ট মান্থ দ্যাট ইজ জুলাই কাৰেন্ট এফেয়াৰ্স এবাৰ অকনমান পলম হল গুটেখিনি কাৰেন্ট এফেয়াৰ্স দিয়াৰ কাৰণে বিকজ এডিআৰই কাৰণে হয়তো জুলাই কাৰেন্ট এফেয়াৰ্স ইমান এটা নুহুদিব বিকজ অলৰেডি এক্সাম আহিছে বাট ষ্টিল আপোনালোকে চাই যাব পাৰে আৰু আমি এডিআৰই কাৰণে যিবোৰ ক্লাसेस কৰি আছো অনলাইন হেতু কাৰণে অলপমান সময়ৰ অভাৱত মানে ভিডিওটো দিওঁতে অলপ দেৰি হৈছে But anyways, আপোনালোকে চাই যাব এটো এবাৰৰ কাৰেন্ট এফেয়াৰ্সৰ কিছুমান এনেকুৱা কোৱেশ্চন থাকিব কিছুমান এনেকুৱা নিউজ থাকিব যটো হয়তো আপকামিং এক্সামৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হ'ব Then before I start as usual মই এটা কোটেশন লৈ আগবাঢ়িছো either you run the day or the day runs you So meaning to ইমান সুন্দৰকে মানে কথা স্টেটমেন্টটো কৈছে যদি আজি আমি দিনবোৰ কটাই গৈছো নহলে দিনবোৰে কেতিয়াবা আমাৰ পিছে পিছে দৌৰিব মানে আমাৰ দিনবোৰ আমাৰ যোনবোৰ সময় আছে প্ৰত্যেক দিনে আমাৰ কাৰণে বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট প্ৰত্যেকটো দিন আমি স্পেশালি আমি ধৰিব লাগে আৰু তেতিয়া আমাৰ পিছলেও আমাৰ প্ৰত্যেকটো দিন স্পেশাল হৈ পৰে Okay, so that's what maybe Jim Rohn wants to say from this quotation Protham questions azir amar video tour hoise recently which university has received multidisciplinary education and research grant for the first time from education minister of government of India in entire northeast so it is regarding education sector question hoy ekhon university kotha hodise june multidisciplinary education or karone achievement paise grant to paise tar logot aru etu prothom bar hoy je north eastern pra enuka ekhon university government of India dwara ekhon eta achievement paise grant to paise aru background or news to is it's regarding Dibrugarh University And Dibrugarh University is the first in the Northeast to get the multidisciplinary education and research grant and it says by Vice Chancellor. So Dibrugarh University recently 60 years তেওঁলোকে complete কৰে 60 years complete কৰে তেওঁলোকৰ establishment and the first university হয় Northeast june grant and achievement to paise Dibrugarh University Ministry of Education or prize security to paise government of India aru total 100 crore ra 3 bosorar karone eta amount sanction kora hoise rogote eta research hub ei grantor under sanction kora hoise Professor Jiten Hazarika said that semiconductor project coming up in Jagirod the university is opening a course on the subject so that youth of Assam can get jobs on the project yes আমি জানো যে আগতে যত হিন্দুস্তান পেপাৰ মিল এক্সিষ্ট কৰিছিল জাগিৰত তেতিয়া নতুনকৈ এটা সেমিকন্ডাক্টৰ হাব তাতে এস্টাবলিশ কৰিছে বাই দ্য গভৰ্নমেন্ট অফ ইণ্ডিয়া আৰু সেই যোনটো সেমিকন্ডাক্টৰ হাব তাতে প্ৰজেক্টবোৰ যোনবোৰ ষ্টাৰ্ট হ'ব হয়তো আমাৰ অসমৰ ইটো বহুতেও নাজানে যে সেমিকন্ডাক্টৰ হাবত হয় কি বা সেমিকন্ডাক্টৰ প্ৰজেক্টবোৰ কেনেকৈ হয় সো ডিব্ৰুগড় ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিয়ে related to semiconductor কিছুমান projects লৈ আনিব যোনবিলাকক youth বিলাকক কিটুকলৈ educate কৰা হ'ব আৰু এনেকুৱা এটা initiative যোনটো হয়তো জাগিৰোডৰ যোনটো এতিয়া নতুনকৈ খুলিছে যোনটো semiconductor hub খুলিছে তাতে তেওঁলোকৰ job related to employment related to তেওঁলোকৰ বহুত problem solve কৰিব পাৰে so এইটো এটা খুব ভাল initiative লোৱা হৈছে because আমাৰ ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি বিলাকৰ আমি খালি পঢ়ি আইছো গ্ৰেজুৱেচন কৰি আইছো সাৰ্টিফিকেট লৈছো আমি পাস কৰি আইছো কিন্তু আমাৰ যেটো প্ৰ্যাকটিক্যাল ট্ৰেইনিং আছে হেতু যে বহুত খিনি কমি আছে আৰু ডিব্ৰুগড় ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি এটো ইনিশিয়েটিভ লৈছে আৰু মোৰ লাগে যে এটো এটা খুব ভাল আৰু ইনিশিয়েটিভ হ'বলৈ আছে আপকামিং ইউথৰ কাৰণে So আমাৰ যেটো কোৱেশ্চনস হুদিছিলে so of course ইয়াৰে answer to hobo Dibrugarh University so when we discussed that when it say that it was 60 years back যেতিয়া Dibrugarh University established হৈছিলে that means in 1965 Dibrugarh University established হৈছিলে if আপোনালোকক এটো কোৱেশ্চনস হুদি দিব পাৰে কেতিয়া established হৈছিলে লগতে ইয়াতে ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হৈ যায় যে at present আমাৰ ষ্টেটৰ এডুকেশন মিনিষ্টাৰ কোন হয় Okay, so in education minister hoy Ranoj Pegu and central number education minister hoise Dharmendra Pradhan so since ami education related questions yate ami discussion korisu so ministry to ami abar discussion kori lolu so ministry hoise Ranoj Pegu at state and Dharmendra Pradhan in the central and Dibrugarh University was established in 1965 Next question, which scheme among the following has not been implemented by the fishery department? So fishery department e amar recently fishery department e kisuman initiative teonuke loisile ba kisuman scheme teonuke initiate korisile to hitare dwara koa hoise je are kuntu scheme fishery department er dwara nohoy. So tare agore ami are background or ever news to sai loisu National Fish Farmer Day recently celebrate kora hoy and National Fish Farmer Day celebrate kora hoisile 10th of July. Every year 10 July this actually celebration kora hoy fish farmers bilakor karone aquaculture industry professionals and stakeholders bilake to celebration kore major scheme jintu fishery department at itialeke government er dwara dia hoise etu hoise Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, Chief Minister Homogra Gramya Unnayan Yojana tateo fishery department cover hoy. State owned priority development, again this is also by the state government. Assam Agribusiness and Rural Transformation Program, Rural Transformation at yate humai ase fishery department. Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, Group Accident Insurance Scheme for Fishers and Kishan Credit Card for Fishery Sector. So Kishan Credit Card farmers or karneo thake aru fishery khinir karneo thake. So এয়া হৈছে এগিটা স্কিম যোনখিনি ফিশাৰী ডিপাৰ্টমেন্টৰ আন্ডাৰত আহিছে সো আমাক খুদিছিলে কোনটো অহা নাই আমাক প্ৰথম অপচনটো আছে মানে সো ইয়াতে অপচন নম্বৰ ডি যোনটো প্ৰধান মন্ত্ৰী কিষাণ সম্মান নিধি যোজনা সো এটো হৈছে ইটস নট ফৰ দা ফিশাৰী ডিপাৰ্টমেন্ট ইটস ওভাৰঅল ফৰ দা এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেন্ট সো আনসাৰটো হ'ব option number D. Our logote jodi ebar ami theme or kotha patu when we talk about the theme of this time National Fishery Day to yare theme to is blue revolution. Theme to is a blue revolution and when we talk about blue revolution so blue revolution er dwara e asalate fishery department ba fishery pisciculture development to hoisile. Blue revolution means about the fish. Okay, so fish kane ana revolution to our theme ebar rakha ase blue revolution. Moving to the next question, which city is expected to become the 4th state capital in the northeast to have a rail link by the next year? So amagere hodise je kunkhon state hoy city hoy to 4th state capital in the northeast Aro to have a rail link by the next year. So it actually 4th state capital body says into rail link hoba next year. So ebar ami background or news to silence. So the Aizawl to become the 4th state capital in northeast to have a rail link by the next year. And Aizawl capital hoise Mizoram. Aizawl capital hoise Mizoram and should be the 4th capital city. And connectivity hobo yare northeaster logot. Aro by July 2025 egute rail connections kini over bonwa complete hoi jabo Bhairavi Sairang project boli yak koa hoise involving tunnels bridges and 4 new stations and NFR effort aim to reduce cost boost tourism and support the local industry so that Mizoram etia development tourism or karone actually development to kora hoy so ekdom horu side news asle kintu background ot ami yar pa bahut questions ami ulabo paru 4th state capital northeaster Aizawl hoy and amak yate hudibo pare je what is the state amak hudibo pare what is the state when was the state formed actually Mizoram was a part of Assam we all know that so Mizoram statehood kitia pai so enuka dhoroner amar kisman questions hudibo pare so Mizoram statehood paisile 28th Feb 1987 of statehood paisile and State Recognition Act by 1956 or dwara hokolo state oke bhashar bhitit statehood dia hoisile so 1987 and finally statehood dia hoisile and Mizoram separate hoisile Assam par 1954 so I need another question that can be asked the state animal of Mizoram state animal hoise Himalayan serow is the state animal of Mizoram. So this is important questions that can be asked based on Mizoram. Now which of the following is the first tiger reserve in Assam? Assam prothom to tiger reserve ki hoy? Yes, very easy question no doubt. Background or news to ebar ami sai loisu. Assam likely to get its 5th tiger reserve. So bhal kotha to hoise je amar etialeke 4 khon tiger reserve asile আৰু আমি এতিয়া ৰিসেন্টলি 5 নম্বৰ টাইগাৰ ৰিজাৰ্ভ খন পাবলৈ গৈ আছো 4খন আছিল আমাৰ কাজিৰঙা মানস নামেৰি আৰু ওৰাং 4খন টাইগাৰ ৰিজাৰ্ভ হয় আৰু 5 নম্বৰ টাইগাৰ ৰিজাৰ্ভ খন কোড হ'ব এবাৰ আমি চাই লওঁ Assam is likely to get its 5th tiger reserve. As per the proposal, the new tiger reserve will comprise the North Karbi Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary and the East Karbi Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary, besides Kalyani Reserve Forest covering a total area of 502 square kilometer. So North and East Karbi Anglong milipine ekhon aru ami tiger reserve ebar pabole Goesu, so North Karbi Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary, considered one of the most important highland areas to shelter the stressed out animals coming out of the national park during the annual flood. Aru junbur pani banpanir homoy junkhini jontu national park or pra ulai ahe teoluke hetu is North Karbi Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary he animals kini shelter loy So আমি ন্যাশনাল পার্কৰ পৰা ওলাই আহা এনিমেলস কিনিও ওয়াইল্ডলাইফ সেঞ্চুৰীত পোৱা হয় লগতে ইষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলঙতো হেনেকৈ কিছুমান এনিমেলস আছে সো ক'ব পাৰি যে এখন 5th টাইগাৰ ৰিজাৰ্ভ হ'বলৈ গৈ আছে এট নৰ্থ এণ্ড দ্য ইষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলং আৰু একচুয়ালি বহুত দৰকাৰো হৈছিলে বিকজ টাইগাৰ ৰিজাৰ্ভ মানে মেইনলি ফৰ দ্য টাইগাৰ প্ৰটেকচনৰ কাৰণে ৰখা হয় আৰু যেহেতু তাতে যোনটো কাজিৰঙা আৰু কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ যোনটো ল্যান্ডস্কেপ আছে তাতে টাইগাৰ্স বিলাকে সেটেল কৰিব পাৰে তেওঁলোকৰ কাৰণে ফেভৰেবল হয় সো এই কাৰণে এখন কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ টাইগাৰ ৰিজাৰ্ভ বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট আছিল মেইন কৰিডৰ হয় ফৰ দ্য মাইগ্ৰেটিং এনিমেলস যেনেকে ওয়াইল্ড এলিফেন্টস হক বা টাইগাৰ হক গড় হক স্লথ ডিয়াৰ সো এটো হয় এটা ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট কোৱেশ্চনস ৰিলেটেড উইথ the tiger reserve. Now when we talk about tiger reserve, so yate hoy je prothom to tiger reserve ketia hoisile amak hetu hudise so prothom tiger reserve to amar first tiger reserve to amar hoy Manas tiger reserve. We also know that it is also a world heritage site, also it is a national park, right? So among jodi hude je world heritage site Manas world heritage site ketia paisile so UNESCO Manasok world heritage site disile 1985 ot Okay, so UNESCO Manasok World Heritage Site disile as in 1985. Also, Kaziranga is also given the World Heritage Site. Then, 1990 again, the same, 1990, same Manas Tiger Reserve Manas National Park or hisapot hai. Pabole সক্ষম হৈছিলে so Manas is a tiger reserve it is an UNESCO World Heritage Site. Manas is also the national park so year bilak yate moi mention kori disu ekini khub important hai for your exam point of view. Recently, who among the following has received the UNESCO award for up to $5,000 to support their research project from Assam? So Ahomor kan UNESCO award kane kune paisile so answer is this is Brinda Kashyap and she has been chosen for the prestigious International Coordinating Council of UNESCO's Man in Biosphere program and she is the only one from India to be chosen for the program. She is among 15 young scientists selected from 11 countries with awards up to $5,000 each to support their research projects. 15 জন সাইন্টিস্টৰ ভিতৰত আমাৰ ইন্ডিয়াৰ পৰা প্ৰথম হয় যোনে চুজ কৰ এটো প্ৰগ্ৰামৰ কাৰণে লোৱা হৈছে প্ৰগ্ৰামটো মেইনলি হৈছে ম্যান এণ্ড বায়োস্ফিয়াৰ প্ৰগ্ৰাম by UNESCO conducted by UNESCO and teo bibhinno dhoroner amar rhinoceros e junkhini Manas national park ot junkhini rhinoceros population dine dine komi aise etur upor teo various challenges junkhini face koribo laga ase rhinoceros khini hekhini teo etu gyat dangi dhoribo aru taunko chemical conservation dia hoy taunko geospatial data everything will be taken by Brinda Kashyap. Okay, so amar karone ta proud moment je bharator prothom jon select kora hoise aru ya hoise amar ejoni Ohomia jiori. So of course the question to this answer is Brinda Kashyap. Moving to the next one, what is the purpose of multi-activity center at the Guwahati Planetarium? So Guwahati Planetarium recently at a development kora hoise aru he development to hoise multi-activity center eta khula hoise aru promote kora hobo space scientific spirit and popularize astronomy and space science. And Guwahati Planetarium has taken a step to open a multi-activity center at its premises. Initiative has been taken under the aegis of the Department of Science, Technology and Climate Change of the Government of Assam. So both dinor pura planetarium to ami to dekhi isu but hotha gundi je golo tar pisot aru jwa nohoy planetarium to hoy na. So ite he planetarium to notun ko renovate kora hoise already kam aramboni hoi goise ek porjay le ase bibhinni dhoroner science and technology related logote climate change related yate multi activity center hisapore premise to use kora hobo aru once again maybe into Z+3 RCC construct structure ase hetuk amar upcoming generation or karone hoyto eta source hobo jar pura teonoke bahut kini space science or kotha information pao pare. So purpose ase ki yare purpose to hoise to promote the scientific spirit, popularize astronomy and the space science. So to amar ohomot bahut dekhibole pore je science or kotha bahut kome discussion hoise yate. So hey science related advancement because when science thakile he technology thakile he advance hobo paribo. Modernization hobo. Ar hey science related bukhini bostu aha korise ami planetarium pura modern planetarium pa pabole parim. Next, who has been appointed as a deputy leader of the Congress party in the Lok Sabha. So recently Congress party deputy leader hisabe kak nijukti dia hoise and that's a good news for us because Jorhator MP recently elected Gaurav Gogoi has been appointed as a deputy leader of the Congress party in the Lok Sabha aru tekhete deputy leader hisabe 17 Lok Sabha khana 2019 agote teo asile and now has been appointed once more to the same post in a newly constituted 18th Lok Sabha. And Gaurav Gogoi was the first elected to the Lok Sabha from the now defunct Koliabor constituency in the 2014 and general election was re-elected in 2019. So that's a great news for us when we talk about a deputy leader. Teo function to hoy teo jehetu amar Congress hoise amar opposition. So it's about the deputy leader of the opposition. So leader of the opposition is at present is Rahul Gandhi. So majote etu pura khali asile post na Rahul Gandhi is the leader of the opposition and deputy leader hoise Gaurav Gogoi. Now deputy leader of the opposition is also known this the post is also known as a shadow minister. So ei bostu to apnalokor karone important hoy je our post to actually ki etu information to moi karone news to moi ade cover korise because deputy leader boli kole their role to is a shadow minister since they are opposition or leader hoy. Okay, so jikono questions etia Lok Sabhat uthwa hobo here upor junbur arguments hobo ba junbur discussions hobo etia full consideration lua hoy deputy leader or speech to leader or speech to of course thakibo. So khub gurutopurno actually hoy ankor post to 5 bosoror karone deputy leader or karone appointment kora hoy usually. So answer to about Gaurav Gogoi. Next, how does the Pradhan Mantri Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana support the entrepreneurs in Assam? So Ahomot eta notun koi yojana aise Pradhan Mantri Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. Okay, so ebar eto scheme ki hoy ebar sai loiso. Assam is emerging as a significant player in India's renewable energy sector, particularly in the solar photovoltaic system. And enuka nohoy je ago prothom hoy Ahom prothom ase Rajasthan. Okay, so solar uporot solar photovoltaic use kora solar energy use kora prothom khon state bharator asile Rajasthan because of course ate juntu sun rays or juntu vertical direction hoy etu pora bahut khini photovoltaic generate hobo pare solar energy generate hoy ar ahomot ite piece poi thoka nai ahomo ite renewable energy hisabe solar energy to use kori ase ar pradhan mantri Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana pora at a promising environment create hoise and it aims to provide free electricity to households through solar power installation, significantly reducing installation cost through subsidies and financial incentive. So protekkhon ghore যদি যাৰ যাৰ ঘৰ নিজৰ ঘৰ আছে সাতখন আছে তেওঁলোকে যদি সাতখনত নিজৰ নিজৰ সাতবোৰত যদি তেওঁলোকে সোলাৰ প্যানেল বহাই দিয়ে হেতুৰ কাৰণে যোনবোৰ কষ্ট আছে যোনটো খৰচা আছে এটুটো ইনসেন্টিভ সাবসিডি দিয়া হ'ব লগতে তেওঁলোকৰ যোনটো বিল আহিব যোনটো মানে ইলেক্ট্ৰিসিটি বিল আহিব তাতেও সাবসিডি দিয়া হ'ব খুব ভাল ফাইনান্সিয়াল ইনসেন্টিভ দিয়া হৈছে এটো Our scheme offer easy financing options including low interest loans and grant which entrepreneurs can utilize to start and scale their business. So it is a business or what dhorneo lobo para jay. So Pradhan Mantri Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana support koribo kenekoi by offering free electricity connection to households and the businesses. Moving to the next one, recently which of the following state not received special financial assistance from the Narendra Modi government for flood affected region? Actually question 2 pattern to hoito alaman belek hoise amar hodunte yate hoise je flood affected regions or karone kune itialeke center of financial assistance poa nai. To strengthen the disaster management effort of the Northeast states, Narendra Modi presented also announced special financial assistance to the flood-affected Assam and Sikkim alongside Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, which is likely to bolster the recovery process, rebuild infrastructure and stimulate economic growth. Northeast states have registered an increase of rupees 4,035.31 crore in the first full budget of the Narendra Modi government. Sitharaman in her budget also announced the setting up of over 100 new branches of Indian Post Payment Bank. So along with that, flood affected junkhini amar northeastern portion is ekini to diboi thakiboy logote IPPB bank or karneo 100 new branches open koriboleke finance or ministry pora order ahise. So amar hodise itialeke kune poa nai to hoise Mizoram ami already Assam Sikkim or Uttarakhand kotha discussion korisu mi actually Mizoram flood affected human reasons nohoyo and that's why government of enka itialeke dia hua nai. Recently, where has the butterfly and biodiversity trail yielded new discovery? So notun kore discovery hoise butterfly and biodiversity trail aru hetu hoise many discussion kora hoise Dihing Patkai. The second edition of the Butterfly and Biodiversity Trail successfully concluded with enthusiastic participation of 32 individuals representing Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. An initiative aims to raise awareness and promote sustainable ecotourism to butterfly and biodiversity conservation. Actually, butterfly related both dinor porai agote butterfly related kisuman biodiversity attention asile kintu recently kono dhoroner attention butterfly conservation karone dekha nai ebar ei bosor ami hoyto prothom news unte ami butterfly and biodiversity conservation upon paiso or hetu actually kora hoise ko Dihing Patkai. So when we talk about Dihing Patkai, so Dihing Patkai Ketia National Ketia Wildlife Sanctuary National Park security paisile hekini questions alop size abo bahut important hobo porikha point of view karone. So next question is where has the butterfly and biodiversity trail yielded new discovery? So recently butterfly uporot eta biodiversity trail system ulwa ase aru etu code this hoise etu amak discussion korise. So of course a discovery to is a Dihing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary aru second edition hoitu butterfly and biodiversity trail successfully concluded with enthusiastic participation of 32 individuals. Our 32 individuals Ahomor pra asile, Arunachal Pradesh pra asile, Uttarakhand pra asile. Mainly discussion is a butterfly biodiversity report. Okay, so when we talk about this yate butterfly ro bahut dhuniya species ase jeneke brown hat, Indian Oling, blue scary tiger, Brandonium fly, white dragon trail and Murray ace butterfly bilakor bahut category ase. So amak jodi hode je Dihing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary ketia hoisile hetu eta important questions hoy logote eta question sudibo pare kuntu nodi Dihing Patkai re par hoi jay. So Dirak Nodi aru Buri Dihing Patkai di par hoi jay hetu the questions hobo pare logote Dihing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary ketia hoisile. So amak hodise kunkhonot hoise answer is of course Dihing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary. Next is a very important current affairs question. Why have the Moidam been included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site? So ami recently khobor paiso je amar Saraidot thaka Moidam has been given a prestigious title of UNESCO World Heritage Site kintu kiyo dise kihor kane dise hetu amar yate hudise question to. So ebar ami background news to sai long. Moidam, that is a 700-year-old mound burial system of the Ahom dynasty, has been officially inscribed in the UNESCO World Heritage Site under the cultural property category on 26th July. So cultural property category under 700 বছৰ পুৰণি মৈদামক স্বীকৃতি দিয়া হৈছে UNESCO World Heritage Site. Moidams are the third World Heritage Site in Assam, following Kaziranga National Park and Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, that is also the national park, and it's the 43rd property in India to be included in the World Heritage. So, World Heritage Site or Vicharat, 3 number hoise abar Moidamor. Purpose hoise ki je preserve and promote the shared heritage based on outstanding universal values found in cultural, natural as well as mixed properties across the 195 countries. So 195 countries or jiman bilak nominations asle tare bitor security popoleke nichhoy amar Moidam bahut special and Moidam prothomote Moidamar Moidam Horaidot ase logote Jurhat aru Hibahagar aru kobat Moidam poa boli koa hoy aru kintu Horaidor junkhon Soraidor junkhon Moidam ekhon Sukafa নিজেই তেওঁ এস্টাবলিশ কৰা আছিল তেওঁ যেতিয়া ৰজা হৈ আছিল আৰু ইয়াৰে স্পেশালিটি এটো হৈছে যে ইয়াতে সৰু কৈ ডাঙৰ কৈ বহুত বিলাক tomb ইয়াতে স্ট্ৰাকচাৰ হৈ আছে আৰু যোনবোৰ ৰজা আছিল তেওঁলোকৰ হলি স্পিৰিটটো তাতে তেওঁলোকক ৰখা হৈছে tomb বিলাকত সো ইটস লাইক আ pyramid you can say Egypt's like pyramids bu thake neki pyramid or nesna gutei Moidam khana enekoi at a structure banai thua hoise it's like a mountain isn't it it's like a mountain so me apa dekhibole paisu so that is about the Soraido Moidam so it's very special for us dekhise na ata enkar gate type ase aru bhitorot bibhinno dhoroner enuka dhoroner structure ase jot eta side teonuko koa hoy je teonuke hotru bilakor ahomokale teonuko hotru bilakor গল বিটাক কাটি পিনে তাতে পুটি থৈছিলে লগতে যোনবোৰ ৰজা আছিল হে গুটি ৰজা বিলাকৰ তেওঁলোকৰ যিমান বিচত দেখ আছিল তাতে তেওঁলোকে পুটি থৈছিলে সো it is a place of cultural unity of the Ahoms also representing our cultural identity and hetu karone etu bahut special eta structure boli dhora hoise guti world ote and it was created by the Tai Ahom as already I have discussed. Banyan trees and the trees used for coffins and the bark manuscripts were planted and the water bodies were also created. Yade kolgosor puli use kore atate kisman bostu likhi thua hoise aru water body u tate rakha hoise pukhuri dhoroner ke rakha hoise and world eta to question sudibo pare je UNESCO head office code ase UNESCO headquarter code ase so it is UNESCO headquarter to code ase hey question to ma apnaloke leke erisu comment ot ebar comment eta kori dibo logote ma olabagore hudisilu je Dihing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary kitia security paisile ei duta questions apnaloke muk comment kori dibo moving to its answer so of course Moidam been included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site for their cultural and historical significance. Next, what is the significance of the International Biomanufacturing Summit in Guwahati? So, International Biomanufacturing Summit eta kora hoise tare significance to ki asile. So, Northeastern Indian Diaspora announces International Biomanufacturing Summit in Guwahati. So, hetu hoise nako July 26 or news ot asile hetu. Are the summit together global industry leaders bilakor asile academicians bilak asile government stakeholders bilaku yat asile are scientifically keneke entrepreneurs kinik agbahai loi jabo par hitur upor yat summit to discussion kora asile aru yate Royal College of Radiologists London has awarded Dr. Namrata Das from Assam. It's a different news from Assam. Doctor gave the prestigious UK fellowship as a Dr. Namrata Das. So miscellaneous kisuman news ase jontu mai ekbare discussion koriso aru Assam doctor june UK fellowship pabole hoikhom ase as Dr. Namrata Das. So amak hudise je International Biomanufacturing Summit to key significance asile answer to is it promotes entrepreneurship, it showcases Northeast India's potential in biomanufacturing, also it attracts international investment in the sector. Yes. Next question, which medical institution has signed the pact to set up the Addiction Eradication Center with Union Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment? So recently kunkhon medical institution enuka khon pact sign korise juntur pora addiction eradication hobo pare amar state ot bahut addiction ase tare eradication or karone eta initiative lua hoise so tare agote me aba background or news to saisu eya hoise lokopriyo Gopinath Bordela Regional Institute of Mental Health Tezpur and recently teonuke ekhon MOU korise aru MOU khon korise Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment at শাস্ত্ৰী ভৱন নিউ দিল্লী আৰু এখন হৈছে যেনেকুৱা এডিকশন ৰিলেটেড আমাৰ ষ্টেটত যিমান বিলাক ইস্যুজ আছে সেইটো কেনেকৈ আঁতৰাব লাগে যেনেকৈ ড্ৰাগছ হ'ল বা এলকহলিক হ'ল বা যোনবোৰ stressful situations ahi pore কিছুমান এডিকশনৰ কাৰণে হেইবোৰৰ পৰা দেশখনক ষ্টেট ৰাজ্যখনক কেনেকৈ মুক্ত কৰিব পাৰি হেইটোৰ ওপৰত এটা MOU এখন সাইন হৈছে মেন্টাল হেলথৰ ওপৰত মেইনলি mental health not only includes actually drugs and alcohol it also includes যেতিয়া আমাৰ মানসিক ভাৱে আমি বহুত বেছি দুৰ্বল হৈ যাও আমাৰ কিছুমান এনেকুৱা পৰিস্থিতি আহি পৰে যত আমি ডিপ্ৰেছনলৈকে গুচি যাওঁ আজিকালি খুব কমন হৈছে ন সো সেই পৰিস্থিতিখিনিৰ ওপৰত ডিসকাশন কৰিবৰ কাৰণে খিনি ওপৰত কাম কৰিবৰ কাৰণে একচুয়ালি MOU এখন সাইন কৰা হৈছে So, ito initiative code law is option number 1, Lokopriya Gopinath Bordala Regional Institute of Mental Health at Tezpur. What is the ordinal of Lakshman Prasad Acharya as the governor of Assam? So, we know that we had a new appointed governor of Assam and he is Lakshman Prasad Acharya. So, the ordinal kotha hodise kiman numberot jao ase. So, Lakshman Prasad Acharya was sworn in as a 32nd governor of Assam. And Chief Justice said our oath loisile. So we know that governor oath to hodai Chief Justice loy when it's a governor of India. Oath is taken by Chief Justice of India. When it's a governor of a state, the oath is taken by the Chief Justice of the High Court. And at present, the Chief Justice of the High Court was Justice Vijay Vishnoi. Lakshman Prasad Acharya is a Sahitya Ratna and is known for its contribution to education and public service. And in 1977, he initiated a child education in the village, campaigning with the sole aim of establishing school in the remotest villages. So, ebar amar governor teo education related both development kori aise agote. So, more question ada yade itu ahibo more minded ahise je enkara question hudibo pare. So, when we talk about the governor, so background questions eta enuka thakibo pare je governor kuntu article mention ase. Governor is mentioned that appointment of a governor is mentioned in which article. So, answer to 153 and 154. Okay, so that governor is an executive post, executive of our state or of a country, and he is the head of the country, and that is mentioned in article 153, 154. Article 155 a appointment or kotha diye, then gradually 156 and all salary discussion kora hoy governor. So it starts from 153. Okay, so article 153 pa governor kotha discussion kora hoy. So ama kodise what is the ordinal of Lakshman Prasad Acharya? So it is 32nd, or he is the 32nd governor of Assam. So aji junkhini July mahat junkhini probable amar current affairs is related to Assam samekini discussion korilu. So ehini leke apnaloke ediarile sai jabo because September mahat jo porikha ahile hane aru baki junkhini pisale aru porikha ahibo তেওঁলোকৰ কাৰণে of course yere current affairs kini nichhoy important hoy. So moi junkhini questions apnalokok video to koi thakar samoyte hudisu ehini apnaloke মোক comment boxত answer koribo boli ma asha korilu apnalokor support aru moromor karone bahut bahut dhanyabad.